Is it the leak video?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Well, I have it open right now. If you want to watch it on my stream,
Sure. Let me pull it
maybe
up.
like, it could have gotten
Switch the
removed. I guess.
You stream it?
He's streaming it.
Yeah, here. I got you, dude.
Should I witch king or should I witch tens?
What if my stream gets banned for this?
I don't know. Someone
If that's how I go out.
Sky's bird, brother.
Oh no, it's cobblestone.
It's cobblestone.
Oh no, they had a cobblestone.
Please no. Going.
This looks cool.
It's
It looks good,
cobblestone.
It's so open. Wait, what? It's so open. Smokes are gonna be terrible. What?
You can get banned for this anyways. It's not your fault they leaked it. It's their
Dude,
fault.
look how open it is.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. That's why it seems CS:GO because it's so open, right?
God, dude, this is gonna be bad. For Smokes, like.
Vandal squad, dude. Let's go. It's fine.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna
Time
tap
to, time to aim lamps. Let's go, brother.
Holy shit! Wait, hold on. If you can, hold on. If you can get up, not there. Fuck, where was it? Did I miss it? Yeah, right here. If you can get on this shit, oh like
my
fuck, it's
God,
Icebox
dude.
2.0. Hopefully not. There's no way you can get on this shit.
Look at how big the map is, though. It's huge.
People, I was reading. Someone was saying that it was going to be a single bomb site. No, there's an A there, and there's no way that person's an idiot.
It could just be A site.
Yeah, but would it say just A site?
I don't know, man. There's
A
A, B,
single
and C.
bomb site would be interesting. Are there any like ones like that in CS:GO with a single bomb site?
No, there's not. That I
It
know.
feels
of.
like I don't know, like a triple bomb site's an interesting gimmick because like it's still like it's a I feel like a single
Can we
bomb
watch it
site
on
is a
half speed?
nightmare.
What'd you say?
Watch it on half speed.
You want me to? Yeah, I'm just trying to look at the map, you know. So
Yeah, that's what
I'll
I
actually
mean.
put it on half speed.
Instead of fucking listening to that steel drum.
Well, the audio actually is awesome on this. I love it. Sorry, I'm kind of like an audio nerd.
1.5, not 0.5.
Oh no, I appreciate the
Oh,
audio.
it's not.
just
Oh,
fucking
1.5.
loud.
I sped it up. Oh no.
Yeah.
So here's the map. Another kitchen. I like it. Wait, I don't know if you can go in there actually. I thought that you could maybe.
That's a
Probably.
cabana, dude. We could get fucking. Let's
Look
get
at
some
the
margaritas,
restaurant,
bro.
dude. It's literally Inferno. That's kitchen on Inferno, top right. That's crazy.
I don't know, CS.
It,
Dude, there's so many hop angles, man.
There's look, yeah. This is very open right here. This
This
is
is
actually
literally
I like
interesting.
this. I like this
playground.
whole like fork
Oh
in the
my
path kind
God.
of thing with like the single object. I really like the way that that could be really interesting.
Jet's playground.
This
right
looks like a
here.
bomb
It's like-
site to me. Am I wrong?
Kind
No,
of. It's
doesn't-
mid.
it
This is
doesn't, but
mid for
I
sure.
don't see any. But I was gonna say I
There's
don't
no
see any of
crates,
the,
but this looks like it could be a bomb site.
Dude,
Like this
why is
reminds
it
me
okay?
of the cobblestone bomb site actually. Like it's just got like this area
Yeah.
over here. Like it's got like all the corners and shit. Like I don't know.
It's like Beyond Cobble, where there's the fountain in the middle, which is that middle thing, and there's like a big area around it. Yeah.
Oh, I love the
Okay.
art on this map though. This is beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Holy shit.
That looks sick.
Even got this whatever this.
This
area
is actually is a bomb site. I know because they're
looks
still
so
planning it here.
What are we
Can
gonna
you
call
put
this
that
one?
into water
The
area?
call out nipples.
Hey, nipples, boobs.
Yes.
He's boobs.
Boobs?
He's boobs.
The center tits, right tit, left tit.
In the breasts.
Right tit. Oh
In
god.
between.
That's what I want to see, dude.
Can you get
Left side, right
updraft
tit,
on
let's
that?
go.
That'd be sick.
This looks like there's a building right here.
Dude, above. Look, wait, go back a little bit. Can you go above there? That'd be insane. Go back like 4 seconds.
Like up here?
Right up there, yeah.
Yeah, I think
No
you
Dude,
can.
that's insane.
Yeah, there's
No
boxes up here.
fucking-
I think you can.
That's such a
Holy
good angle. Oh my god.
That's interesting.
This is heaven,
That-
I think.
Dude,
That's
this is
an interesting heaven. Is that an
playground.
That's an elevator. Look at the left side there. That's totally an elevator. That's gonna be a
Dude, there
platform that
must
moves
be a
up
new
and
thing
down.
in the map. Like, there's always a new thing in each
It's a
map.
gimmick, yeah.
I wonder if there's
I
like a
was thinking
button.
that-
Because it doesn't look like there's a button near this, but I wonder if somebody else has to push the button. That'd be weird.
Dude, that looks sick.
Like maybe the button's here, but
So if Jet's gonna be so OP.
this is an elevator though, you're right. And I bet this one comes down too. So I bet like this is cover, but I bet it's like removable cover because you can just lower it. Oh,
Yeah, imagine going up and there's no cover. You just get up and you're
Uh.
sitting duck for a solid 2 seconds.
That's so cool. If the map does change over time, like there's variation that you can change within the map. That's actually really, really cool. I'd like that.
variation? What?
Like if the boxes can move up and down somehow.
I hate this. I don't like this spot. This looks like a nightmare. Like to push
like-
and to hold.
Or something.
Or
Or
I
maybe
do like
just
how
one.
there's another way to get up though. It's not just the zips. That's kind of cool. You
I
can
do
jump
like
up on
that.
these.
Gives
good.
options. You could fake too. You could get someone jumping on those boxes on the right and have 2 people slow climbing up the ropes
This video is
too.
Dude,
privated, so
look
it's
how
not gonna
big
help
that
you.
area is.
Yeah, you gotta blow all
I
your
just I didn't
brimstones
That
refresh the
up.
has to
page.
be a site. There's no way that's not a site.
Yeah, with all the shit, you mean?
Yeah, that has to be a
That's what
site.
I'm thinking too. But I don't. There's nothing to like signify that it is a site, you know? Unless it's
Yeah,
like
it usually has
underneath
the
it.
rope around it, like
Like,
that
it has
cabling.
to be.
Yeah. I'm trying to look, but yeah, I don't really see anything.
Unless
No.
that's just mid.
This literally looks like a site though. There's like
Maybe the
positions you can play it
far
from. Like this is a post plant. Clearly, like it
maybe
reminds me
the
of
far
yellow.
back where the water is their spawn, like that building in the back. It's probably one of the spawns, probably CT spawn. Hmm. This seems like mid to me as well.
I guess it could be mid. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now
Yeah,
we
that's
can
mid. That looks
smoke
like mid there.
nipples, boys. Let's go.
Smoke tit.
Yeah. There's no way. There's no way. There's only one bomb site. Somebody suggested that.
That's
But
like
if there's an
massive.
A here, I know no big deal. But I did the early Project A leaks and like I analyzed all of those bomb sites and stuff. I was pretty good at
Yeah.
it. But
Yeah.
yeah, there's no way there's one bomb site. There wouldn't be an A here. I feel like it would just be bomb site. There's no A or B then.
Genius.
If there's no B,
People
there's no
G.
reason to put A.
Yeah. That's a good one.
Peepo, dude. I love all the Peepo memes so
I
goddamn
love
much, dude.
BTTV so much.
Wait, do we see a button here? I don't see a button. Oh, here's a button. This is a button right here.
Wait, I'm
Yeah,
legally blind. Oh, there's a
yeah,
switch, yeah,
That's a
yeah.
yeah,
switch.
yeah.
I wonder if
That
that's
door
for right
probably.
here. I feel like I'd see a wire going to
Dude,
it
look at
though.
just that little box angle there on the wood boxes in the middle for a jet angle, you can hold that and watch the doors to the right past
Oh,
the A with jet
fucking
and op. Oh my
A.
god, man, this is gonna be insane. There's so many angles to check. It's like
It
Icebox
looks so much
worse.
fun, but it looks like this is gonna be a nightmare to learn.
It's gonna be
Like
Icebox, but worse.
when Icebox came out and it was just a little bit more open, dude, and a little bit more verticality, everyone lost their goddamn man. They're like, this is gonna be so much more space, so many more angles, so much more verticality. Everyone's gonna lose their goddamn shit.
Okay,
There's gonna
here's
be
my
so much
thing.
complaining.
I might hate this map, but it's really pretty, so I'm gonna try to like it.
No, I
Uh,
already like it. I think
it's a
it's just
really
gonna be
pretty
an
map.
aim fest. It's gonna be out aiming everyone and then dismissing with Reyna and then popping off. And I love that.
Dude,
Uh,
you're starting to like Reina now, huh?
yeah, because I wanna
Dude,
get
she's
30 bumps
dope.
every game.
Yeah, the new
She's
map
so
got
fun,
leaked.
dude.
Oh, a video of it, the trailer of
It's
it.
amazing.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah, this is